I hope you have learned something new and interesting today in this class. As I had said, I'd like to summarize. First things first, you need to be prepared for your brainstorming session. You need to get others to come prepared for your brainstorming session. Once that is done, once the session is in progress, you do two steps. First one is brain dump, where you do individual ideas. You then prompt them to come up with further ideas. Once they have done that, then you go into a group discussion board where you actually build upon each one's ideas, and with the rule or with the caveat that the only thing that people can do is to either add to an idea or subtract from an idea to come up with a new idea, but not criticize the idea. So once you've done that, it is important that you capture those ideas, you rate them, and then identify ideas for follow-up action. Once you've done that, then you need to actually act upon the idea, and whatever you do, keep the people informed so that they respect you for your preparedness and also know that you respect their time and their creativity. So I hope the session was useful. Please do give us a rating or review the course online once you've done that. Please do share your experience of having run a brainstorming session based on whatever you've learned here today. I would love to hear that. If you have any questions, please do write your questions on comments. I'll definitely try and respond to every one of the questions that you have. Thank you, and I hope you will come to my next session as well.